Check out this street rod here, unique, especially in classics. It's 1938 Ford Deluxe 5-window coupe. .350 small block underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. TH 350, so turbo hydromatic 350 paired up with that. Small block V8. Power steering, power brakes. Nice build. Gotta love the front of the 38s. Flat black finish, all steel. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can call in at 507-386-1726. As you can see, wide white walls, Ford center caps and beauty rings, classic look, side exiting exhaust, tinted glass. The front end is a chassis engineering 4-inch drop with split wishbone. We have a 9-inch Ford rear end. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Little scuff down here in the flat paint. Take a look at the rear chrome. Battery has been relocated to the trunk, and there is a battery shut-off switch, dead man switch, behind the passenger front seat. I'll show you that if I kind of can when we get in. Take a look at the interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Probably over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Great look with the flat black paint. Very subtle. All right, let's take a look at this interior. We're gonna spice it up a little bit in here with the brighter blue and black combination. This is a car you can get in and drive. Have some fun, take your local roll-ins, cruise-in, shows. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you where that switch is. Let's walk around to the other side. I'll be able to show you from that. Angle probably the easiest, just so you know where the battery shut-off is. So it's right behind the passenger seat, right there. Red knob turns. Cool looking back seat, how they have it set up too. Be able to see that better in the still pictures. I mentioned it, car, get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. I'll show you some things on the inside, some a little more modern amenities that will make this a nice car to drive. First of all, horn has been relocated to say like an old starter switch. So this is the horn. Blinker switch is right here. I'm going to show you how that works in just a second. Aftermarket, kind of old school gauges for a great look. Cup holders. Center console. So, a few things. This will crank out. Window isn't working order if you want to vent in here at all. So that's working. Aftermarket stereo also works. This here, those are wiper switches, independent for each side. Left switch runs this one, right switch runs that one. Electric wipers. And I mentioned this was the blinker, so I'm going to turn the key on here a second. You see that's clicking the right blinker. Now if I click it again, that'll turn it off. Same thing to the left. Want to turn left, blinker's on, want it to go off. Click it left, it goes off. And as you can hear, radio is working.
Giving them away. Check them out. Ticket.
You also hear an electric fan running. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. It's fired up. Battery gauge works. Fuel gauge went up. Was a cold start, so I don't think that needle on the water temp is going to be up much. And oil pressure. Sounds good with that side exiting exhaust. There are sun visors and also a working o'clock up here. Cool setup. Nice looking interior. Headliner's also all good. Door shuts and fits nice. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Alright. Now, something cool up here with this hood too. That's how you unlatch it, and it's kind of cool because it's pitted and it's not beautiful and chrome and perfect. It's pitted and has a flat silver paint on it, which goes with the exterior of this car. Just beautiful. So let me pause it a second. I'm going to get the hood open and let's check out this engine bay. Here it is, small block V8 350, aluminum radiator mentioned earlier, HEI ignition. That's paired up with a automatic transmission and easy to check tranny fluid right back here. Painless wiring. See, it's nice and neat. And then oil dipstick there. But yeah, very nice, clean, tidy engine compartment. Very simple, subtle things done in this car that really make it desirable. Like I said, this will be a fun one to drive. 1938 Ford Deluxe 5-window coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1938 Ford Deluxe Coupe. We have a very cool crank-out vent front windshield on this car. Also a toggle under the dash for the blinker. Click it left once and your blinker's on. Click it left again and it's off. Both right and left are working. This is an automatic with a stick on the floor. This is a very easy, smooth running engine. It started right up and idled right away. It's up to 150 degrees right now on our water temp gauge. Fuel gauge is 3/4 and the battery is at 13.5. Oil pressure at 30. We have a stereo mounted under the dash. That's working very well. If I let go of the steering wheel, she stays straight in the lane. Got comfortable later model style bucket seats in this car. Nice blue interior, blue and black. The outside is a satin black. In the dash are 2 cigarette lighter power ports.